नमस्कार, मैं हूं अशोक सिंह और आप देख रहे हैं बॉडमास लॉ एंड मैनेजमेंट। SNAP conducted on annual basis by Symbiosis International University, Pune. Symbiosis National Aptitude Test is the mandatory entrance exam for MBA admission 2023 in Symbiosis institutes. Eligibility for SNAP. Candidates should be graduate or candidates appearing for final year examination can also apply from any recognized university institution of national importance and must have obtained a minimum 50% marks or equivalent grade, 45% marks or equivalent grade for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe at graduation. A candidate who has completed qualification from any foreign university must obtain an equivalent certificate from Association of Indian Universities. SNAP exam pattern. There are 60 questions in 3 sections. General English, reading comprehension, verbal and reasoning ability, 15 questions. Analytical and logical reasoning, 25 questions. Quantitative data interpretation and data sufficiency, 20 questions. Total time allotted is 1 hour 60 minutes. Now coming to NMAT. NMAT full form is NMIMS Management Aptitude Test. It's a national level MBA entrance test conducted by the Graduate Management Admission Council for admission to leading institutes like NMIMS Mumbai, SP Jain Mumbai, ISB, VIT University, KJ Somaiya Institute of Management, IFMR and SRM University. Eligibility for NMAT. Applicants should have a bachelor degree in any discipline from a recognized university or institute with at least 50% marks. Admissions will be given to those who complete their graduation by that time, which means final year students pursuing their bachelor's degree regular can appear for NMAT 2023 and will be given provisional admission only if they pass their bachelor's with 50% and qualify in NMAT. NMAT exam pattern. There are 108 questions in 3 sections. Quantitative skills 36 question, language skills 36 question, logical reasoning 36 question. Total time allotted is 120 minutes. CMAT. Common Management Admission Test. CMAT is an online computer-based test conducted by the NTA, National Testing Agency. It is national level admission test for facilitating institution to select suitable student for admission in all management programs approved by AICTE. Eligibility for CMAT. The current eligibility criteria state that the candidate should have a bachelor degree of at least 3 years. However, the previous bachelor degree of 2 years will also be accepted if the university is recognized by UGC. Candidates in their final year of graduation or awaiting result are also eligible for the exam. CMAT exam pattern. There are 100 questions in 5 sections. Language comprehension 20 questions. Quantitative techniques and data interpretation 20 questions. Logical reasoning 20 questions. General awareness 20 questions. Innovation and entrepreneurship 20 questions. Total time is 3 hours 180 minutes. Now coming to next exam, XAT. XAT full form is Xavier Aptitude Test. It is management admission test for admission to MBA PGDM program in XLRI and other top MBA colleges like XIMB, IMT Ghaziabad, TAPMI Manipal and 160 other top MBA colleges in India. Eligibility for XAT. Candidates must hold a bachelor degree that took 3 years or more to complete in any discipline from a recognized institute. Candidates in the final year are also eligible to appear for the XAT exam. The XAT exam does not require a minimum pass percentage. XAT exam pattern. Part 1 consists of verbal and logical ability, decision making, quantitative aptitude and data interpretation. Total number of questions divided like 26 questions in verbal and logical ability, 21 in decision making and 28 questions in quantitative aptitude and data interpretation. Part 2 is general knowledge and essay writing. Questions in general knowledge is 25 and you need to write one essay. Time allotted is total 190 minutes, 165 minutes in part 1, 15 minutes for part 2 general knowledge questions and 10 minutes for the essay writing. So total time is 190 minutes. Common admission test. Common admission test is the entrance exam for aspiring candidates who desire to make a career in management and business administration, that is MBA. This examination is conducted by the Indian Institute of Management, IIMs, on a rotational basis. The common admission test is a computer-based test for admission in graduate management programs. The test consists of 3 sections: verbal ability and reading comprehension, data interpretation and logical reasoning, and quantitative ability. The exam is taken online over a period of 3 hours with 1 hour per section. Who is eligible for CAT? CAT eligibility is released on the official CAT website. There is no upper age limit for CAT exam 2023, and as per the educational qualification, the aspirant must have a bachelor degree from a recognized university with at least 50% marks, 45% for the SC/ST students. CAT exam pattern. If I talk about the 2022 exam pattern, the exam is taken online over a period of 2 hours with 40 minutes each per section. Total number of questions was 66 and time was 120 minutes, 40 minutes per section. And for IIMs, you require a sectional cutoff. So this is the pattern for the CAT exam. और रेगुलर अपडेट्स के लिए आप हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल को भी जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें। वीडियो देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।